There are two ways you have the control of the fire. One, through the cylinder inside, you have a control in the cylinder where you can on the cylinder, the gas is on. First of all, make sure that the gas is locked here. It's locked. Then you on the cylinder here. Very small. Very small. So you have to make sure that here is locked while you put on the gas cylinder very small here. Very small. Then first of all, if you're using lighter and matches, first of all make sure that the light is ready before you on the cylinder here to avoid high flaming. Now, as you are burning, you make sure that this flame is not high. As low as it is now, it's okay. Then you put your oil. You allow the oil to heat. Oil and see how the fire is. So the flaming is very green and very low. So the pot is heating. You don't allow it to be heater than this. Now, when it is too hot, there's possibility of this wire being soft and there's possibility of pulling out, but there's no much danger. But as soon as you pull off, it cut off the fire. The fire went off or the fire go off. So there is no need of being scared. All you need to do is to lock off your gas cylinder down there. Now, assuming the oil is already hot, this is your corn. You put your corn. When you put your corn, you set it to move around the oil. Because of the bending of the machine, the slight bending, you shouldn't care if the corn or the oil did not separate all over the pot. But if you have your oil that can fill the pot, fine. The quantity of the corn that you can put in here, milk cup, for instance, the liquid milk, peak milk cup, a full of it, of the corn, can serve. Even more can serve it. Minimum, that cup of milk cup of corn. Now, you get your sugar ready and wait to hear the first popping or second popping. Then you apply, you put your sugar. Now, stirring it is not necessary because even the stirrer will not be able to touch any corn for now. You can see there's no fear of any heat. Everywhere is still calm, no hot. The heat will not extend anywhere. The fire is already protected. So if you have any other ingredients you want to use for your popcorn, like flavor, you can now put your flavor. You can now put your sugar. Put enough sugar to give you a good taste. It has started popping. Put a good quantity of sugar. give you a very good test. You can see the corn is already popping. Now, your duty is to stir it. See, I can relax on the machine. There is no heat. It's not extending outside. So when the glass, everything here is safe. Now, the faster it pops, the faster it's coming. Now, how do I know that it's done now? The popping reduced. I off the fire. The popping reduced and off the fire. The heat in the pot alone can pop the rest. And what next? I bring it back. It's done. Get set for another popping. So we're ready for another popping. You set your light before you on the gas. And this is it. Now that I use a local corn, it pumps a local corn. And it can swell pop foreign corn. Yeah. The test is okay. That is the use of the machine.